So if you have your Hryfine app and you are trying to log in directly and you are seeing stream was reset protocol error, even if you have tried using your Google Mail and it is not still working, you are seeing stream was reset, this is what you have to do. The first thing to do is to uninstall this very version of the Hryfine app and uninstall it. Okay, now the next thing to do is to go to your Chrome browser or your browser that you are using on your smartphone. Now I'm going to launch that and go to apkpure.com. Just search for apkpure.com like this. You're going to see apkpure.com on the first page. So select that and now search for Hryfine on the top bar. Search for Hryfine and you're going to see a lot of Hryfine app there. That is the APK version. Okay, just select one of it. When you select one, don't download straight away. Just scroll down a bit and search for the old version of the APK of Hryfine. Okay, so let's search for the old one, old versions of Hryfine. Now I'm going to recommend this version March 10 2023. That is Hryfine 3.3.1.2. So download that and download variant apks. It is safe, don't worry about that, it is safe. Okay, now select this one and select that down arrow, select this, and our Hryfine download apk 3.3.12 will start downloading. As you can see here, it's downloading. So let me show you the details, and it is downloading already. So you just have to wait for it to complete downloading and you can do the next step. Once your Hryfine 3.3.12 are successfully downloaded, select the option and install it on your smartphone. Now select open. Please make sure you don't update this old version. If you update it, you are going to see that error message again. Now you go to the agree option here, select agree and grant all permission for Hryfine to work. Allow for phone call, for contact, for managing phone calls, for view SMS, for photos. Make sure you grant all permission. Now you can use your login directly or your Gmail. So I'm going to select that and it's going to go to login directly. As you can see, this is our account and that is it. Now we are going to select the screenshot for this. So I'm going to screenshot this and select OK and select OK once again. And here I'm going to come to this nickname, select that and enter a nickname. Mine is Jaguar. Okay, and select OK at the top right corner here. And you're going to see set successfully. Now the next thing to do here is to check for your phone UI. So I'm going to select this option. If you are using Xiaomi, Huawei, Oppo or Vivo, you can select, and if your phone is not listed here, select the other option here and select the back option once again. Select go to set. Now when you select go to set, locate the Hryfine on the notification access page, which is this. Toggle the option on and select allow. Okay, when you select allow, select the back option here and now come to my option down here and select my option. Now search for the device. Make sure you have your Bluetooth, your data and location turned on. Okay, now it's asking you for permission description. Select allow and now go to this permission. Make sure all permission are granted. As you can see, our camera is not granted, is not allowed, so we are going to select camera, allow while using the app. Select the back option. For location, select that, allow while using the app and back option, and make sure there is no other option here. All right, so once you have done that, now you can go back to the options and search for your device. Make sure your watch, your Hryfine watch is on. As you can see mine here, so it has located, and let me bring out the MAC address. So as you can see, the MAC address is the same thing on the watch. All right, so that is it. Now we are going to select that because that is it. We are going to select that and it's going to show connecting. and let's wait for it to connect. And it says device connected. So select view permission, which we have done already. Just select back option, and you can see it is connected to our smartwatch. When you check the smartwatch, you're going to see that it is truly connected. Now it's asking for the second Bluetooth pairing request. Select pair and wait for it. And once it pairs, you're going to see your volume bar show. That means it is connected. You can use it to make call and do every other thing that you want. If you want to get WhatsApp message, now come to this device settings, select that and select message reminder here, and make sure your WhatsApp, which is this WhatsApp reminder, is toggle on, and select OK. Okay, so whenever you have WhatsApp message, it's going to show on your smartwatch. That is your Hryfine smartwatch. Now you can use this find device to find it. As you can see, it is ringing. That shows that it is truly connected. And other things you can do here, if you want to change the time, come to the synchronized system time here, select that, and it's going to synchronize to your time, which you can see here. I have the time on my smartwatch as 3:01, and here on my smartphone is showing 3:01. That shows that it is correct. Okay, so that is that. And if you want to change the wallpaper, all you have to do is to go to the setting here. Let's go back to the wallpaper setting and go to this dial option here. Select the dial option, and you can now wait for it to load up a bit, or you just go to this dial mode or DIY dial. Okay, and select DIY dial. You can now see options here. You can select your picture. If you want to pick your own picture, now you can select picture option, and it's going to show you all your pictures here. And I'm going to pick just one picture, and if you are okay with it, you can now select the tick option up here and select complete. Now you can shrink down and shrink up to this picture like this, and you can also see a short tutorial telling you this is how to move the time and the date. Okay, just tap anywhere and you can move it to anywhere you like. You can also change the color of this time here. You can select black, you can select white, you can select gray, or whatever color, or yellow, whatever color you want. Just make sure you like it and select the down option and select the tick option here. Now you can remove this step counter. You can remove the date and leave the time only. So if you want to remove that, you can just come here, select that, and select hide. Select the date and select hide, and you'll be left with the time only. Okay, if you want it the other way around, then you can just make sure the date or time are set. Now I want it this way, so I'm going to select save and use. I select save and use. Right on my watch is going to start pushing to the watch. As you can see, my Hryfine watch is showing an uploading symbol. So let's just wait for it to upload the wallpaper to the watch. Now we have the new watch face on our smartwatch, which you can see here. Looks fine, right? So that is how to set the wallpaper on your Hryfine watch.